Hello, little friends. Welcome to the magical fruity garden, where our fruity friends are waiting to introduce themselves in a funny and exciting way. Are you ready to meet them?
Hey kiddies, we are the Lively Berries trio, blueberry, strawberry and raspberry. We're here to paint the garden with our berry-licious colours and spread joy.
Hey there, kiddos. I'm the Jolly Orange, the citrus sensation. Watch me roll and bounce around. I'm always ready to add a burst of fun to your day.
Hey, little ones. I'm the Playful Grapes, always hanging out in a bunch. Bounce with me and let's have a grape time together.
Aloha, tiny tots. I'm the silly pineapple with my spiky hair and tropical flair. Let's hula and giggle together in the fruity garden.